I'm excited to announce that we now are launching our Zoom F8 and F8n course. The Zoom F8 and the F8n are amazing recorders and mixers. They're designed really for film production, but they can also be used for things, of course, like podcasting and recording music. Now, these are very deep devices. There's a lot of features going on here, and what this course is really aimed at is helping you get up and running and recording quickly. The way that we approach this is we give you the fundamentals of recording sound, but then also apply that very specifically to the Zoom F8 and the F8n and their feature sets. In this course, we'll help you understand the settings and nuances you need to know to get great recordings. First of all, we'll cover the fundamentals of recording sound, like where should I set my gain or my input level? And then we can also talk about the same thing for sound effects and Foley. Of course, we'll cover the basic settings such as trim, phantom power, high-pass filters, limiters, faders, pan, phase invert, and more. We'll cover recording settings such as what to record to each SD card, whether that be a poly or a left and right mix or both. Talk about sample rate, bit depth, and dual channel recording. We'll show you how to send audio to a camera from the F8 so that you don't have to sync in post. We'll cover the basics of using the F8 as an audio interface with your computer or laptop. We'll show you how to set up timecode so that you can simplify the process of syncing your video to your audio in post. We'll cover the Control app, which works with iPhones and iPads. We'll also cover the F-Control, which is a physical mixing surface that is an add-on for the F8 or the F8n. And of course, we'll talk about getting your headphones set up and how to do the routing associated with listening on your headphones. Online courses, of course, are great because you can go at your own pace, but one of the tricks is you can sometimes get stuck. Not to worry, we have you covered there. We hold weekly sound for video sessions. Many of those sessions are question and answer sessions. I'll email you ahead of time, ask you to just email me back with any questions you have, and then in that session, we'll cover your questions. Also, if you need something right away, you can always email me, and I'll respond back as quickly as I can, usually within 24 hours. You can email me at curtis@learnlightandsound.com. Also, we have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if it looks like this is all stuff you already know, just send me an email, and we'll get you a refund. So, if this looks like it's right for you, love to have you join the course. Otherwise, we'll talk to you again soon.